Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to set up the SSIS job. So I already deploy my SSIS package in integration service catalog. So first you need to deploy your SSIS package and then you need to set up the job for that SSIS package. So in this video we will learn how to set up the SSIS job to run on daily basis. So here inside the SQL Server agent, you just have a one option like job. Just right click on that, select a new job. Here you need to mention the name of that job. So okay, then you just leave as it is. This is a general information. Now you just select the step. Inside the step, you just click the new because you need create a new setup. Just mention the same name over there. Here you need to select the SQL Server Integration Service package. If you select this, then run as is the default option like SQL Server Agent Service account. Here you need to select the server. So I'm just selecting my server. Okay, and here you need to browse your package which you want to set up as a job. So I am selecting my package over there. The configuration you have a means if your package have any path, then this path will display over there. Inside the connection manager, all your setup whatever you have inside the package that are display over there, like connection string and everything. In third option like advanced, here we need to select the 32-bit runtime. This is very important step. We need to check the 32-bit runtime which run your job smoothly on daily basis. So inside the configuration we need to check parameter, connection manager and advanced option. So inside connection manager all connection strings setup are there. In advanced option we need to select 32-bit runtime, and in parameter we have some path over there. Okay, and inside the package we need to select our package. This step is very important. Just click OK. Now on what time you need to schedule, again here we need to create a new. So just mention the name of your package. The schedule type is recurring, correct? Weekly occurs weekly, daily or monthly. I need to select daily. You can select as per your choice. So if your job running on daily basis, then we need to select daily frequency. On what time we need to run that job. So here I am select. You want to select PM or AM, whatever occurs once at, but we need to select occurs every hours or occurs once at. Okay, so here I am just selecting occurs once at on daily basis 4 p.m. Okay, or occurs every hourly basis. If you want to select hour basis, then you can select that option. Now on daily basis my job will run on 4 p.m. Just click on OK. Now if you want to add any alert, so you can add alert. Okay, I'm just skip this step, it's optional. Notification, if you want to add any notification, then you can add it, or a target. So this general steps and schedule, these two steps are important. Okay, and now just click on OK. So once you click OK, then here your job will display and this will run on daily basis, if you see the properties for that job, then you can see, if you see the properties of that job, then here you can see your summary, whatever you have selected, steps, schedules, 4 p.m. occurs every day. If you want to select alerts, then you can select notification and everything. Okay, and just click on OK. So this is a simple steps to set up the SSI jobs. Okay, I hope you understood everything. Thanks guys, thanks for watching video.